Ji adek mane gin apisa manochung' ne aguch omenda dongruok NGCDF e kachung' od bura ma Igembe North e kind higa 2014-2015 ochwal e doho ma Meru kitudogi gi keth mar kuo mar siling $4.8 million. Ji adekgo eko kamoting'o maneja Pauline Waruguru Mwangi, jakom James Muroki kod jakeno James Ntonjira otamore yie keth makamano ma iwacho ni notimore tarik 4 dwe mar 12 2014. Burano minono gi duol mochung' ne rango mibadhi e pacho ka EACC ibiro gwel kendo tarik 5 dwe manyien.
It therefore follows that accused persons ought to and are entitled to be admitted to bond terms which are commensurate to the charges preferred. Guided by the bond bail policy, it is my view that a bond of Kenya shillings 4 million for each accused with one surety will be commensurate in the prevailing circumstances. I accordingly admit each accused to a bond of Kenya shillings 4 million with one surety of a similar amount. It has been indicated that the prosecution intend to amend the charge sheet. I order that they do so at the next mention, which will be in 7 days.
Achije adek moyangi kaka Christopher Mwenda, Dominic Muinde to gi Paul Francis Mutinda mani tudo gi nek mar rowere adek otamore yie keth makamano modonjnegigo e nyim doho. Rowere moyangi kaka Charles Kioko Mutiso, Kennedy Katu Mathungu kaachiel gi Stanley Mbithi Kathugu nonegi tarik 31 dwe mar 5 higani e boma ma Machakos kuma nogogi mochwo wang'gi gi mach. Jaj mar doho ma Machakos Josephine Mong'are nong'ado ni pod ibiro dinne Achije e rumand kuom ndalo 31 kama ibiro rangi po nono ni nyalo bed ni tudo gi keth moko bende. Burano ibiro winy kendo tarik 7 dwe mar 9 higani.
We will consider the question of bail after the report has been filed and after the affidavit from Mr. Mong'are has been recorded and submitted. So we will come back on the 7th of September to consider the pre-bail report and to issue further directions.
And by that action alone, so that these people, if released, there is likelihood they will interfere with the evidence. Also, there is the aspect of the safety of these witnesses and the victims. Now, these 3 young men who are murdered, 2 are brothers, and one was their close friend. The family fears for their lives because also they are key witnesses in this matter.